So how to calculate the discount in Microsoft Excel? This is what you will learn in this tutorial step by step. In step 1, we need to select the cell where you want to calculate the final price. Step 2, type the is equal symbol to start the formula. Then you need to select the cell where the total value is containing. In this case, it is D2. So we'll select D2. Then you have to add the minus symbol to subtract the discount and initiate the parenthesis. Then you have to again select the cell where the total value is there. In our case, it is again D2. So we'll write D2. Now you have to multiply it. So we'll select the symbol static and then select the discount percentage, which in this case is D3. We'll close the parenthesis, and then once you will hit enter, you will get the amount after the discount, which in this case is 900. So from 1000 you get a 10% discount, you get 900. Similarly, if the discount is 50%, then the final price would be 500. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.